Okay, this solves a long-standing problem of rolling a folded byte. I think I solved it. See? I'll secure the fold with a very strong magnet bought from TaoBao, Alibaba. This magnet here. And then most cheap folding bytes, this pedal prevent it from moving. I just use an elastic band. This is actually a goggle strap, very elastic, lasting. You can use any kind of rubber band you can find. Secure this so it doesn't go and stop the wheel from spinning. This pedal. Okay, BTwin has this problem. And another final security. Guess what is this? Let me show you. Those who own pets should know what is this. See that? Okay, let me see. It's a dog collar. Very sturdy. Almost unbreakable. It's a dog collar. You can adjust the strap and secure the folded byte. And one advantage of securing the pedal this way for me is the other pedal becomes the support and the byte is leaning by itself, because the 6 post is not that long for this particular fold. And when I push it, double check magnet secure, lift it up. See, I can even do it with one hand. I don't have to worry about the wheels misaligning, because now it's so tightly pressed together. It will always be aligned. Always. Let's focus on the wheels and where you're going.